वेलकम स्टूडेंट्स, रेणुका इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ नीट में आपका फिर से स्वागत है। मैं डॉक्टर सुशील नाइक। लास्ट लेक्चर में हमने नंबर ऑफ क्रोमोसोम्स की बात की थी। आज उसी तरह से आगे अलग अलग प्लांट फाइलम के अंदर हम नंबर ऑफ क्रोमोसोम किस तरह से फाइंड आउट करने हैं उसकी बात करेंगे, मेनली जिम्नोस्पर्म एंड एंजियोस्पर्म में। क्वेश्चन, rhizoid of moss has chromosome number 14. Secondary Protonema derived from Calyptra would have chromosomes. Students, here they are talking about the moss, and that is Bryophyta. Bryophyta is a haploid plant body. In rhizoid, chromosomes 14 given according to question. Now in the question they ask, secondary Protonema derived from Calyptra would have chromosomes. So we are asked, number of chromosomes in the secondary Protonema according to question. Now remember that secondary Protonema is formed from the Calyptra. Calyptra is a kind of archegonium in which secondary Protonema develops. Secondary Protonema is a network-like structure which spread on the ground, and it is a mesh-like structure. Rhizoid is a part of it. Students, remember that rhizoid is part of Protonema, and rhizoid having 14 chromosomes. So obviously Protonema would also have the 14 chromosomes in it. Question: what would be number of chromosomes in aileron layer if megaspore mother cell contained 10 chromosomes? Students, in the question, number of chromosomes in aileron layer is asked. In the question, megaspore mother cell 10 chromosomes is given. Now megaspore mother cell is diploid having 10 chromosomes, and so n is equal to 5. But aileron layer is a kind of endosperm. Remember that aileron layer is kind of endosperm, and endosperm is always triploid, and that's why 3 into 5 as n is equal to 5. The number of chromosomes found in the aileron layer is 15 over here. Next question पे जाएं स्टूडेंट्स। क्वेश्चन है, what would be the number of chromosomes in the cells of aileron layer in a plant species with 8 chromosomes in its synergids? Now in this question, synergids contain 8 chromosomes is given, and again we are asked number of chromosomes in aileron layer. As I talked earlier, aileron layer is a kind of endosperm, and it is a triploid. Here synergids contain 8 chromosomes, but synergid is haploid, and that's why n is equal to 8. And so 3 into 8, the 24 chromosomes are found in the aileron layer in this question. Next question पे जाते हैं, what would be the number of chromosomes in the aileron layer of the plant with 42 chromosomes in its root tip cells? Students, root tip cell contain 42 chromosome is given in the question. Root tip is a diploid plant organ. Remember that if it is stem, root or leaf, it is always diploid. If aileron layer, it is always a triploid. And if synergids, antipodal cell, egg cell, this kind of words are used which are present in the megasporophyte or simply in the embryo sac, these cells are haploid. So this concept must be clear. Here in this question, root tip contains 42 chromosomes, so 2n is equal to 42, n is equal to 21, and so again aileron layer, it is triploid as endosperm. The answer should be 63 chromosomes in this question. स्टूडेंट, इस कंसेप्ट को और ज़्यादा क्लियर करते हैं हम, थोड़ा टिपिकल काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चन पे जाते हैं ताकि आपके सारे ही डाउट्स और सारे ही कंफ्यूजन क्वेरीज यहाँ पे क्लियर हो जाएगी। यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन दिया हुआ है, इफ अ मेल प्लांट हैविंग 18 chromosomes in the leaf which participate in the fertilization and the female plant having 24 chromosomes in the root, and in the question it is asked what would be number of chromosomes in the zygote, in the synergid, in the male gamete as well as in the endosperm. So now try to understand everything. Male plant is given. In the male plant 18 chromosomes are present in the leaf. Leaf contain 18 chromosomes. In the female plant, 24 chromosomes are given in the root. So root have 24 chromosomes. Now understand, the male plant having leaf 18 chromosomes, so 2n is equal to 18 and n is equal to 9 over here. So in the male plant the haploid number is 9. So simply male gametes which form inside the male plant is always haploid, and that's why it has a chromosome number 9 over here. But in the case of female plant, the root having 24 chromosome, root is again a diploid. So n is equal to 12 over here. And now in the female plant, the egg cell which is haploid having 12 chromosomes, synergids again n having 12 chromosomes. Is it clear? Egg cell, synergids are the haploid cells present in the embryo sac, as I told earlier. And so it is n is equal to 12 in the case of female plant. But now in the question they also ask number of chromosomes in the endosperm as well as in the zygote. So students, if we ask about the zygote, zygote having simply formed by male gametes and female gamete, and in the zygote male gamete having 9 chromosomes and female gamete, or simply the egg cell, contain 12 chromosomes. So number of chromosomes are 21 over here in the zygote. If we talk about endosperm, endosperm having 1 male gamete and 1 secondary nucleus. Student, secondary nucleus is a part of embryo sac and it is present in the female plant. So secondary nucleus, as it is diploid, it has 24 chromosomes. Now in the endosperm, male gamete having 9 chromosomes and secondary nucleus having 24 chromosomes, and answer should be 33 over here. So this is the basic thing you should understand when you answer your क्वेश्चन। स्टूडेंट, इस तरह से आपको हर एक चीज़ को ज़्यादा अच्छी तरह से समझनी होगी। हमेशा हम देखते हैं कि बच्चे एक दफ़ा वीडियो देखेंगे, समझ तो जाएंगे, लेकिन कितना टाइम तक आप इसको याद कर पाओगे, ये भी ज़रूरी चीज़ होती है। और इसलिए हम आपको हमेशा ऐसे एडवाइस देंगे कि बच्चों, जब कभी भी आप वीडियो देख रहे हो तो आप अपनी नोट्स भी साथ में बनाया करो, जो आगे एग्ज़ाम टाइम में आपको बहुत काम लगेगी। थैंक यू वेरी मच।